This is a math problem sent to us by Francis from Davao City, Philippines. Simplify and state the excluded values of m squared plus 10m minus 25 all over m cubed minus 25m. Give it a try and play the video whenever you're ready for the solutions. Simplify and state the excluded values of this rational expression. The first thing that we need to do is simplify this rational expression by factoring both numerator and denominator. Do you notice anything with the numerator? The numerator is a perfect square trinomial. So this can be factored out as m plus 5 times m plus 5. Because 5 times 5 is 25 and 5 times 2 is 10. So the factors of this perfect square trinomial is m plus 5 to the second power. Now let's factor out the denominator. The denominator has a common monomial factor of m, and this becomes m squared minus 25, because m times m squared is m cubed, and m times negative 25 is negative 25m. Can we factor this out further? Yes, we can. We can factor out the m squared minus 25 because that is a difference of perfect squares. Since it is a difference of perfect squares, then we can factor it out as m plus 5 and m minus 5. Factors will be sum and difference. And now we will copy the remaining terms, m and m plus 5 for the numerator. Simplifying this, we can divide m plus 5 and m plus 5, that's equal to 1. So the final answer for this rational expression is m plus 5 for the numerator, and for denominator, we have m and m minus 5. This is the simplest form of this rational expression. The second part of the problem is identifying the excluded values. Excluded values are the values of the variable that make the denominator equal to 0. So to find the excluded values, we need to use the zero product property, which means we need to set each factor equal to 0. Take note, it's not the denominator of the answer, but denominator of the given problem. So first we have m is equal to 0. The next one, m plus 5 equals 0. And the third one, m minus 5 is equal to 0. So the first excluded value is 0. The second one, we subtract 5 to both sides. So m is equal to negative 5. Negative 5 is the second excluded value. And the third one, we need to add 5 to both sides. So m is equal to 5. And that is our third excluded values. There are three values of m that will make the denominator 0, and these are 0, negative 5, and positive 5. Thank you for watching, and please consider subscribing to my channel at Celzo Academy.